Let's begin today's class. પણ હા, હું તો ભૂલી જ ગઈ ક્લાસનો વેર ઇટ ઇઝ અને વેર ઇટ વોઝ ને લગતો ચાર્ટ તમે બનાવ્યો? અરે બહુ મજાથી બનાવતા. વેરી ગુડ. હવે આજે પણ આપણે થોડી વધારે મજા કરીશું. પણ પહેલા એક પ્રશ્ન તમને પૂછીશ. રોજ તો તમે બહુ બધી પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરો છો ને? યુ આર રીડિંગ, રાઇટિંગ, પ્લેઇંગ, પ્રેઇંગ. પણ એક પ્રવૃત્તિ છે જે તમે દરરોજ કરો છો. વોટ ઇઝ ઇટ? યસ, અટેન્ડન્સ. તમારા ટીચર રોજ તમારી હાજરી પુરાવે છે ને? હવે આજે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે સંગીતાબેનના વર્ગમાં જઈશું. ત્યાં પણ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પોતાની હાજરી પુરાવી રહ્યા છે. લેટ્સ ગો. આજે બહુ ઓછી સંખ્યા છે. ચલો હાજરી ચેક કરી લઈએ. રોલ નંબર 1. યસ મેમ. 2. યસ મેમ. 3. પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ. 4. સી ઇઝ એબ્સન્ટ મેમ. ઓકે. 5. યસ મેમ. 6. યસ ટીચર. 7. યસ ટીચર. 8. યસ મેમ. 9. યસ મેડમ. 10. યસ મેમ. તો જોયું ને ટીચરે કઈ રીતે બાળકોની હાજરી પૂરી? પણ આપણે તો અટેન્ડન્સ શીટ જોઈએ જ નહીં. ચાલો જોઈએ. This is an attendance sheet. There are many columns. Here is the list of students' names, date and days. You can see here. Teacher put A for absent and P for present. Absent means a student is not present at that time in the class. And present means he or she is in the class. Okay, look here. In this class, Binita was present on Monday. Anita was absent on Tuesday. So here is A for absent. Naresh was present on Thursday. So here is P for present. Here you can also see that Binita, Roshni, Payal, Naresh, Manish were present on Monday. Divya, Nisha, Sunil and Satish were absent on Monday. તો જોયું ને અટેન્ડન્સ શીટ? તમારા ક્લાસમાં પણ આવું જ હાજરી પત્રક હશે. હવે ખબર પડી કેમ ટીચર P અને A મૂકે છે એમાં? Now open your textbooks on page number 5. તેના પર પણ આવું જ અટેન્ડન્સ શીટ છે. મારી પાસે પણ આવી જ અટેન્ડન્સ શીટ છે. Let's look at it. Here is our attendance sheet. Now, here is the list of names. Here is Rajesh and Priya. Now, Rajesh was present on Monday. So teacher has put P. P for present. Priya was present on Monday. So teacher has put P. P for present. Rajesh was present on Tuesday. But Priya was absent on Tuesday. So teacher has put A. A for absent. Now, Rajesh and Priya both were absent on Thursday and both were present on Friday. Now, this is the attendance sheet of last week. આ તો થઈ રાજેશ અને પ્રિયાની attendance. બીજા વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું શું? Let's see. I will call 2 students. Okay? Vishwa, Vedant, come here. Right, very good. You can stand here, Vishwa. Very good. How are you?
I am fine.
Very good. Now, do you know how to use absent and present?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. સરસ. હવે સમજ પડી ગઈ છે તમને. So, you have to ask each other. Ask each other and fill the attendance sheet in your textbook. Okay?
Okay. Vishwa, were you present on last Monday? No, Vedant. I was not present. I was at my uncle's marriage. Oh, fine. So I put A for absent. And what about you? Were you present on last Monday? Yes, I was present. Okay. So I put P for present. Were you present on last Tuesday? No, I was not present. So I put A for absent. And you, were you present on last Tuesday? No, I was not present. Okay, so I put A because you were absent.
તો હવે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સ્ક્રીન પર આપેલી વિશ્વા અને વેદાંતની માહિતી તમારી બુક્સમાં નોંધી લો. હું તમને થોડો સમય આપું છું. હવે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ બે બેની જોડીમાં વહેંચાઈ જાઓ. વેદાંત અને વિશ્વાની જેમ એકબીજાને પૂછો, were you present on last Monday? તેમના જવાબ પ્રમાણે તમારી બુકમાં નોંધ કરો. હું તમને થોડો સમય આપું છું. Put A for absent and P for present. Here's an example.
Were you present on last Monday? Yes, I was present. Were you present on last Monday? Yes, I was present.
Ask each other and fill the attendance sheet in your textbook. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, children, have you completed? હવે તો લખાઈ જ ગયું હશે ને? ચાલો તો હવે એક મજાના ક્લાસમાં જઈએ. તે છે absent present class. Let's begin the game now. Okay. Were you present on last Monday?
No, I was absent.
Oh, so go to the absent corner. Come on. Were you present on last Monday?
Yes, I was present.
Go to the present corner. Were you present on last Monday?
No, I was absent.
So go to the absent corner. Were you present on last Monday?
Yes, I was present.
So go to the present corner. Were you present on last Monday?
Yes, I was present.
Go to the present corner. Were you present on last Monday?
Yes, I was present.
Very good. Go to the present corner. All right. Come back now. Very good. Now I will just say the day. You either go to present corner or absent corner.
Okay.
What day? Thursday. Oh, so 3 of you were absent on Thursday and 3 were present on Thursday. Very good. Come back. Come back again. Now, what day? What day will I say? Saturday. Saturday. Oh, nobody was absent. All were present on Saturday. Very good. All right, come back. Okay, this is the last one, huh? Sunday. What? Were you all present in class on Sunday?
We were present at home.
Oh. So now you have really understood the meaning of present and absent.